Shiv wants me to rank this thing like 1 through 10. I'm not doing that. I tied for 10s if I've got good data. I gave it a 0 if it's garbage. Again, if it's like weak sauce, I gave it like 1 to 2s because it's weak data.
Cold therapy.
2, because honestly, I'm not sure about the data, so I'll give it a 2.
Red light therapy.
I'm gonna give it a 5, and I'm gonna give it a 5 because it does actually have like some NASA-backed information to it, but whether or not that works in a clinical setting, I think still to be determined.
Lymphatic drainage massages.
That gets a 10. That absolutely works. Just hands down for lipo, body contouring, that works.
Preventative Botox.
So that gets a 1. I don't believe in it. I think it's garbage. Preventative Botox. I think it's just a way to sell product. If you don't have it, you don't need it. It stops muscles from moving to stop the wrinkles. If you don't have the wrinkles, the whole thing, yeah.
Intermittent fasting.
Intermittent fasting is also tied for 10. It absolutely works. Studies show it. You will live 5 to 10 years longer. You will decrease your rate of heart risk. You will decrease your rate of actual strokes. The risk of Alzheimer's goes down. It's like the benefits are wild. Better benefits for men rather than women, which is an interesting saving, but it works for sure. 10.
Okay. Collagen powder.
Collagen powder, it ties for a 1 for me also, almost to a 0. So maybe I'll give it like a 0.5. So here's the thing about collagen powder, like when you eat it, your body's gonna break it down. That's naturally, that's what it does. So supplying yourself collagen powder, just take in proteins and amino acids that will give you, that they will then build into collagen. But paying more money for collagen powder is honestly a waste of your money.
Dry brushing.
Dry brushing gets a 7. So dry brushing is a lymphatic technique. It will actually move it. Lymphatic vessels are so small. We've done that, like those whiteboards where we compare like a blood vessel to how small a lymphatic vessel is. So like a light touch dry brushing does work. It will decrease swelling. It will move lymph along. It will need to be done all the time to see the effects though.
Mouth taping.
That gets a 0. I just like selling a bridge to somebody. It's a 0, dude.
Hyperbaric oxygen therapy.
That ties for a 10. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy absolutely works. There's a bunch of studies out there. Now, I'm talking specifically from a wound healing, sort of surgical healing standpoint. There's the other kind of grayer stuff where it's like it will make you feel better, you'll rest more, you'll sleep more, and data doesn't necessarily support that as much. But from as far as like increasing oxygen into your tissues, which drives healing, from a surgical standpoint, it gets a 10.